Ever seen that dreaded check engine light illuminate on your dashboard? It can be unsettling, especially when it points to something cryptic like P0420 today. We're demystifying P0420. Catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Bank 1. This code is crucial for your vehicle's health. Understanding and addressing P0420 is vital. It impacts performance, fuel economy, and your car's emissions, keeping our air cleaner. Beyond the check engine light, P0420 can manifest in several ways. Let's explore the common indicators you might encounter. You might notice reduced fuel economy, meaning more trips to the pump. Your engine might also feel sluggish, lacking its usual power. Another telltale sign can be a distinct sulfur or rotten egg smell coming from your exhaust. This indicates unburnt fuel. Now, let's dive into the common culprits behind the P0420 code. Knowing these helps pinpoint the problem accurately. The most frequent cause is a failing catalytic converter. Over time, age, damage, or contamination can reduce its efficiency. Next, faulty oxygen sensors. Both upstream and downstream O2 sensors play a critical role, and incorrect readings can trigger P0420. Exhaust leaks, whether before or after the catalytic converter, can also throw off sensor readings, leading to false P0420 codes. Engine misfires or a rich fuel mixture can send unburnt fuel into the converter, causing it to overheat and sustain damage. Now that we know the causes, how do we accurately diagnose P0420? The right tools and techniques are essential. Start with an OB2 scanner. It reads the code and provides live data, especially for O2 sensor readings. Look for fluctuating patterns. Perform a thorough visual inspection. Check for exhaust leaks, any physical damage to the catalytic converter, and O2 sensor wiring. For advanced diagnostics, a multimeter can test O2 sensor voltage. Back pressure testing can also confirm a clogged catalytic converter. Once diagnosed, it's time for solutions. Addressing P0420 effectively often involves specific repairs. If O2 sensors are faulty, replacement is necessary. Ensure you choose the correct sensor for your vehicle and install it properly. For exhaust leaks, identification is key. Use smoke tests or listen for hissing sounds. Repairs can range from patching to replacing sections. A catalytic converter replacement is a significant repair. Discuss options with your mechanic and consider quality aftermarket or OEM parts. Finally, address any underlying engine issues, like misfires or fuel system problems. These must be fixed to prevent future P0420 codes. Prevention is always better than cure. A few simple maintenance tips can keep your catalytic converter healthy. Regular tune-ups. Ensure your engine runs efficiently, reducing the risk of misfires and rich fuel mixtures that harm the catalyst. Avoid excessive short trips. The catalytic converter needs to reach operating temperature to function correctly. Longer drives are beneficial. Always use quality fuel. Poor quality fuel can lead to deposits and contamination, degrading your converter's performance over time. In summary, the P0420 code is a warning sign that shouldn't be ignored. It points to issues with your catalytic converter or related systems. By understanding its symptoms, causes, and diagnostic steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve this common automotive problem. Don't delay addressing P0420. Prompt action ensures your vehicle runs cleanly and efficiently, saving you money and protecting the environment. Thank you for watching. Drive safe and keep your engine healthy.